another day, another greenhouse. We are at Terra Nurseries. There's a really long lineup, so we're about to go wait in line and buy us some more flowers and veggies for our little raised elevated veggie garden. Okay, we are at Terra Nurseries looking for some pots for our cucumbers and our zucchinis. And I'm fairly certain we can find something here. Ooh, what are those? Ooh, yeah, it's an olive tree.
Should we get one?
Are you gonna plant it?
Yeah.
Let me see. Okay, let me show you what I'm working with so far. This is my current raised garden bed. I have another beautiful custom one from a local company getting dropped off later this week, so I can't wait to show you guys. And then let me show you what I just picked up from Terra Nurseries, because a lot of my followers on Instagram was telling me that my cucumbers and zucchini, ew, there's a spider web, are gonna go like crazy. So I'm gonna move those. Okay, so this is the garden bed that I purchased from Costco. That's from the dollar store. I planted some chamomile, some lettuce. These are peppers, hot peppers, and sweet peppers. So cucumber and zucchini. Everyone told me they're gonna grow like crazy. So I might move either the zucchini or cucumbers into one of these pots that I just bought. Strawberries, I want another little strawberry plant. And then I've got a tomato plant here, and then basil here. And I also bought another little cherry tomato plant, which I want to put in this pot. And then this is where my zucchini is going to go. And then this little, hi honey, this little snake plant, Brayden really wanted. So he's going to take care of that bad boy. Okay, it is a scorcher outside today. Not complaining. We have had the longest winter ever. But we went to another greenhouse this morning, and I'm gonna show you guys the stunning handmade raised garden bed that Woodworx by Alberto created for the backyard. It is beautiful, it is perfect, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with it. So let's go. Okay, this is the beautiful custom piece. We did an 18 by 40 inch, and I think it's just perfect. What I wanted to do is I have it in my patio area. I had to push my chair in so I could show you guys. I absolutely love the little shelf on the bottom. I had it on the black Costco one. Love the touch, so we decided to add it to this beauty as well. And it is just stunning. The attention to detail is beautiful. Love the color. And I believe he finished it off in a cedar finish. So it's just absolutely beautiful. I needed to raise it a little bit because what I did was I purchased some flower boxes, or flower baskets. Okay, so I added some flower pots, and my little snail is back there, into the raised garden bed. Love the look, love the white and the green. It's beautiful. And as they grow, the vines and the flowers will cascade down. I need to snip the hooks off, but that is it. And let me show you how it looks in this space. Okay, so this is how this space looks. Instead of putting this on my grass, I chose to put it in our lounge area, which I think actually looks really nice, and it's a fun little touch. I might scoot it over a little bit when I have my husband's muscle. And then here's our little lounge area. So it works perfect. I've got some more florals over there. And yeah, there she is. I hope you guys found that super helpful. If you have any questions, just send me over a message. I am happy to help in any way I can. As always, thank you for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace and love, my friends.